As you will see, poor manufactured moulding stops this bird drinking bowl from working properly. Well, I'd actually call it a bird drinking bowl, but I don't actually have a proper name for it. If you've got a proper name for it, stick it down in the comments below. I bought a couple of teardrop bird drinkers from Temu, but they don't seem to refill very well, as you can see. So I'm going to try and show you, because of the poor moulding on the plastic, why the water's not flowing freely. Not sure if you can see, but there's a little slot down there, and on all 4 entrances, but several of them are, this one in particular is almost completely closed. So hopefully you can see where I've cut out some of the side vents to make it a little bit easier for the water to flow, and even a little bit of air in to help reduce the pressure. So let's see how it works. So assemble it all together out of camera shot, because it's easier for me to see with a camera blocking it, because it's easy to cross thread these things. So there we go. Well, actually it's a lot better, apart from the mess I've made. A lot more water coming out and not overflowing. So I think that's probably a success on the whole. Thanks for your time. Appreciate you watching my boring video.